Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to create an image thumbnail with Thumbs AI. So Thumbs AI lets you turn an existing image into a professional YouTube thumbnail using AI. Simply upload your image, customize the settings, and generate a thumbnail in just a few clicks. So you can create thumbnails with your available credits if you're not on the paid plan. So new users will receive a limited number of credits, while additional generations require getting more credits or upgrading to a paid plan. So to start, open Thumbs AI, then sign into your account. Then what you need to do next is to click Create Thumbs on the left side, or you can also click Create Thumbnail right here. So click on that. Now at the top, select Image to Thumbnail. Now, next, you have your upload image. So upload the image you want to use as the main subject of your thumbnail. So for the best results, choose a clear, high quality image. So you can upload or drag the image. You can upload thumbnail from YouTube video link, or you can select from asset. So choose which one you prefer. Now once done, scroll down and go to enter your thumbnail prompt or describe your video. So enter a prompt describing how you want the thumbnail to look, including the background, colors, lighting, style, or text placement. So I have here, transform this photo into a professional YouTube thumbnail with a clean office background, bright lighting, bold colors, and room for headline text at the top. You can also click enhance to enhance your prompt. And once you're done with that, scroll down and expand, choose template. So you can choose a template for a preset design. So click on that and click to choose a template. And you have a lot of templates in here. You have gaming, sports, clickbait, cinematic, etc. You can also upload your photo using add your face. Next, you can also choose a reference or clone style to match another thumbnail's look. Then you have advanced. So you have aspect ratio. So choose 16 by 9 if you're uploading long videos, or you choose short, which is 9 by 16, and you have variation. So select thumbnail variations. So just remember that the more thumbnails you select, the more credits it will use. So once you're done, click generate thumbnail to create your AI thumbnail. Then wait for it to finish. So once it's ready, review the results, choose your favorite design, and download it for your YouTube videos. So tips, use a high resolution image. You can write a detailed prompt for better results. Generate a multiple variations to compare different designs if you're on a paid plan. And leave space for title text if you plan to add it later. So let's wait for it to finish. So look at the result, guys. It's pretty high quality and really followed my prompt. So amazing. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.